Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel here at Cornwall Car Care. With the Audi RS4 out the way, we are straight into the next one, and it's a brand new Dacia Duster with 140 miles on it, I think. So this one is coming in for my new car prep, which involves a single stage machine polish or full decontamination, paint coating, trim coating, wheel coating, glass coating, interior coating, engine bay. It basically door shuts, it covers everything and gives it its best start in life, being fully protected. So the maintenance on this is going to be super easy in the future, and it's going to stay glossy for the life of the coating. As you can see, there's quite a bit of taping up on this one. There's a lot of plastic. Yeah, so I'm just going to take some paint depth measurements. I've already done the masking up, so I'm going to get polishing. So we will catch back later on. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel here at Cornwall Car Care. Brand new Dacia Duster completed. So this one came in for my new car protection package, so it's had every surface protected. Paintwork, glass, wheels, trim, lots of trim on this one, engine bay, interior, it's all been protected and it's given it the best start in life. But yeah, look at this. I'm running out of words to say. Wow. That looks mega. Woo. So next up, we have a Lexus LS430 coming in for a minor correction, wheels off, coating. So we shall catch back later on.